Today, you need to organize your Google Drive. Organization is key. In brick and mortar, I would be teaching you how to label tabs and keep a binder organized. Keeping our files organized prevents you from making 5 copies of the same file and submitting a blank copy. Today, you are going to make a Unit 2 folder, move your assignment files into the folder, make a Unit 3 folder, and move your vocab notes into it. You will then submit a screenshot of your Unit 2 folder. So 1, go to your school Google Drive by opening a tab. So you open a tab, make sure that you're in your school one, and go to Drive. 2, open your 6th grade Social Studies 2020-2021 folder. Don't have this because you did not make it when we did it in class weeks ago. Okay. So I have the folder here, 6th grade Social Studies 2020-2021. If you do not have it, this button is your friend. You click New. You click Folder. And you're going to type 6th grade Social Studies 2020-2021. So again, those steps are, if you do not already have this folder, you click New, Folder, 6th grade Social Studies 2020-2021, and then you click Create. I am going to X out because I already have the folder. Okay. Next on the instructions, then make a folder titled Unit 2, Early Humans and Rise of Civilization. So come back to the drive. By now, you all have this folder. You either already had it or you just made it. You click on it, and I have it. But how do you make a folder in a folder? This button up here again. So you click on it, click Folder, and you do Unit 2, Early Humans and Rise of Civilizations. And then you click Create, and it appears right here. I'm just going to delete mine because I already have it. Okay. So instructions next. Search all your Google Drive for all the assignments. You right click on Files, then move to My Drive, 6th grade, and then Unit 2. Well, how do I know what assignments I did? Okay. You go to Canvas. Okay. Go look at these assignments. Unit 2, Cultural Artifacts Photo, Paleolithic Era Notes, Taking Stake of My Stock, Neolithic Era Questions, Neolithic Era Advertisement, Early Government and Religion, and my study guide. So I need to go through and look at mine. So first off, Cultural Artifacts Photo. Do I have it in the file? I don't. So I'm going to go to My Drive. If nothing comes up, then that means you do not have it, okay? So for that assignment, there was no document to create. Some of you were to use the text box, but then some of you used the document. Okay, so some of you used the text box to answer, while others of you may have created a Google Doc. So that's where it varies if you have a cultural artifacts photo. Okay, going back to assignments. Looking down, Paleolithic Era Notes. Do I have it in my drive? Let's go look. Do I have it in the right folder? And I think the answer is no. So, Paleolithic era, oops, here we go. So from here, once it loads, you click File. And I need the Move button, but it often takes a moment. See, now it's appeared. Move. Let me make sure I'm in the right place. So I'm already in my drive. 6th grade social studies, Unit 2, and I'm going to move it right here. Okay. And see, it's updated with the notes. So then, Paleolithic era, Edpuzzle had none, Factor video had none, Taking Steak in my stock. Do I have it in my folder? Yep, I have it in my folder. Okay. Neolithic era notes. I don't know if it's in my folder. I have the advertisement, but I don't have the notes, so I need to move it in. Here we go, found it. I have mine titled slightly differently. So I'm gonna right click, and this whole box appears. I right click. So again, I right click, Move to. So I click Move to, click My Drive, 6th grade social studies 2020-2021, and then Unit 2. Move here. Yep. You won't get that button, but it is what it is on my end because I've shared it with some of you. I have the advertisement. Do I have the early government and religion? I do have the early government and religion. I don't need anything for the quiz or the vocab quiz. Study guide. Let's go look. Vocab. Oh, I do have the study guide. So that's great. So I have everything I need. Okay, but am I done with this assignment? I don't know. Let's go back to the instructions. Move all the assignments into the Unit 2 from Unit 2. I did that. Then make a folder titled Unit 3, Middle East and Ancient Egypt. Go back to 6th grade social studies, and then the top left of your screen, click New, the first option folder, and then title it Unit 3, Middle East. So I am just going to copy. Okay, then I'm going to come up here and click on this. So I'm seeing my unit folders. I don't have a Unit 3 folder. I need to make one. So I'm going to click New and Folder. I copied and paste. Now see how the Create button isn't showing, like isn't an option yet? When you copy and paste, you just need to add a space and then you can create. So again, that is New. I'm in 6th grade folder. So then I click New and then Folder. I've copied and pasted, and I still can't choose the Create button. I just need to add that space, and then it's there. But, move your Unit 3 vocabulary into the folder. Okay, I got this. I go to My Drive, Unit 3 vocabulary. Okay, I know which file based on the date, but if you haven't paid attention to the date that you're opening things, you could have multiple copies. You need to open all of them and delete the ones that are blank. I know this is the one I want because of the date, so I'm going to right-click, Move to, I'm going to click My Drive. I want 6th grade social studies. Oh, there we go. Oh, no, took me back. So again, I want to right click, Move to, My Drive, 6th grade social studies, and Unit 3. And then move here. Yep, don't worry, you won't get that window. All right, move your vocab. Take a screenshot of your Unit 2 folder, submit the screenshot, and your screenshot should look similar to the one below. I'm going to go to my drive. Sixth grade social studies, Unit 2. And this is what you're going to take the screenshot of. So, okay. And then you submit the file. Thanks, everyone.